Like this age, we used to play a lot of football tournaments, that is open tournaments, inter-village, and also high secondary and college tournaments. And we did not see the conditions, the time. We only saw the opportunity to play. And this is one of the opportunities to showcase your talent. And you never know who will pass by and look at you, and from there we were getting offers for the professional Goa Pro teams as well. A very good morning or good afternoon to each one of you present here and all the guests who are along with me here as well. I would like to congratulate Kumkolin CS College for organizing this tournament and giving an opportunity for all the football players who must have played and given an opportunity to improve their skill and game as well, because this is the only way we can improve as football players. If we have an opportunity to train, for example, we have an option to train our player play a game, we will definitely opt for it, right? Because playing more games improves us better and faster. For example, if you see Japan under 20 player, when he becomes 20-year-old, he completes 600 competitive games, whereas our India under 20 player, when he becomes under 20, when he is 20, he completes 200 competitive games. You see the difference? So this is where CSC college, all the people who are working behind this organization, it is not easy, it is so difficult, we know, and giving this opportunity for you to play this competitive game, this is the only way to improve football. And I would like to thank Sir for having me here and giving this few words and advice to the players who are here. And one day we hope that, and we know many of these players will be playing for the national team, and one day hopefully we qualify for the World Cup. Thank you so much. All the best to you guys.